This trinocular microscope offers a genuinely useful magnification range from roughly classroom level to very high laboratory detail, making it suitable for both serious hobbyists and professional users. The wide-field eyepieces and comfortable interpupillary adjustment reduce eye strain during long sessions, while still giving a broad, bright view of specimens. Its achromatic objective system delivers crisp images with well-controlled color fringing, so cell structures and fine details stand out clearly. The dual mechanical stage and coaxial, coarse, and fine focus knobs make it easy to track moving specimens and dial in sharp focus with precise, repeatable control. An integrated high-definition digital camera and phone holder allow you to capture, share, and document your observations without juggling extra adapters. The generous accessory kit, sturdy build, and flexible lighting make this microscope a practical choice for school labs, home laboratories, and small clinics.